This short video will show you how to use EasyBib in Google Docs and how to cite a website in your bibliography for your assignment. So in order to get EasyBib in Google Docs, you simply need to click on Add-ons, select Get Add-ons. You either need to search EasyBib or it might come up for you. You click on this blue button here, which has a plus sign. You may need to log in. You simply click your account, make sure it's your school account. Select Allow. And you'll then get a notification that tells you that EasyBib Bibliography Creator has been added. So the next time you click on this Add-ons tab, EasyBib Bibliography Creator will be there, and you simply select Manage Bibliography. Now once you find a website, you can click on this tab here, which says Website. So you have to make sure that you've clicked that before you enter in your website URL. So let's say I found this article. I need to copy the URL into the search bar here. Press search. This is the correct article, so I press select. Now this won't add it to your bibliography. You have to select Add Bibliography to Doc. And there you have your author, the name of the article, the publisher, the date it was published, and the URL.